Okay, today we will talk about new lesson that is function machine. Okay, year 6. What's function machine? Function machine is a way to show how a number change. It's a way to show how the number change. Okay, if I told you that you have a way to know how could 5 be 10, is there something like that? Yes, there is something like that. A number goes into the machine. Here is a machine. Okay, a rule is applied. Here inside the machine, there is a rule is applied and a new number comes out. Comes out, yes, it's loading me to the name of that. This is output. And if I make it here, it will be input. So we have input and rule and output. Okay, the rule is we make it the rule inside what? Inside the machine. Okay, so here if I told you what is the parts of the function machine, the parts of the function machine is first input. What is the input? Input is the number that goes into the machine. Okay, what is the output? Output is the number that comes out. Okay, what about the rule? The rule is the operation. The machine does. Is it okay? Very good. Here we have in function machine, we have some kind of one-step function machine and two steps function machine. What is the difference? Here, if I said one-step function machine, the machine uses one rule only. One rule only, okay? If I make two rules, now I am in two steps function machine. Okay, two or more. So here, if I told you that the machine use one rule, so we have to make what? If I put input and rule and output and start to consider some numbers here. If I put 3 and put my rule multiply 2, the output will be 6. Now, if it was the same rule and put here 5, it will be 10. Any problem in that? No, there is no problem here. What about two-step function machine? The machine uses more than one rule, okay? More than one rule. If I said we have plus, we have rule, that coming what? Plus 4. Another rule, that's what? That multiplies 3 forever, okay? Or whatever. Here, if I want to put the input and get the output, try to take it step 1. If I put number 2, I have to say 2 plus 4 equals 6. Then, now it's a 6. Let's make the next step or the next rule. 6 multiplies 3, the coming out is 18. So this is the way that I can put a number inside a machine, and this machine use some kind of rule, one rule, to be one step function machine, or two rules or more that coming now two steps function machine, and by the end we have output. What is the output? It is the numbers that comes out the machine. After what? After one rule or more than one rule, that coming from two rules or more, which coming from two steps function machine. Any problem in that?